Have you ever wondered how you can create an engaging video and put in a zooming effect to the area of your emphasis? Welcome to DigitalGasser. Today we'll be going through how to do that in CreateStudio. To do that, let's log into our CreateStudio software, then click on Start from Scratch. For this tutorial, we'll be using an image I got from Canva. It works for both images and for videos. You can get yours and follow me step by step as I do it. Just drag it. Now we'll drag our image and place it on the canvas to import it. Now drag the image or video you imported to the timeline. If it's an image, you can extend it to the length you want. To get our image to cover our canvas, we have to hold alternate and control, then drag an angle of the image to fill the canvas. If you're using Mac, then you click on control and option, then you drag an angle of the image to cover the canvas. Duplicate the image file by clicking on Ctrl D, then cut out the area you don't want to use, delete it and leave the area you want to use for animation. Double click on the image, then crop the portion that you want to animate. Click on animation, add animation to it. We will use the scale animation. Then for the easing, you use linear. Click on the extreme right of your animation and then zoom the cropped object or video to the extent you want it to be zoomed. Add a second animation to the same image or video you've cropped. Then at the extreme right of the animation, the second animation, reduce the image back to the original size. Duplicate your video according to the number of animation you want to have. Click on the duplicated image or video on your timeline. Then go back to your canvas and drag the duplicated image from the first position to where you want it to be in the second position. We are going to repeat the same for the remaining three, so let's do it. So here is the result. If you found value in today's video, do well to subscribe. Till next time, happy creating.